Okay, I can see that the neighbour's forsythia is blooming, so I know that it's time to prune my roses. So this rose is Macy's Pride. It's been in this garden for, I want to say, probably 15, maybe 18 years. And I think this is its 5th location. It's been in this location now for the last 2 years, so I think it's fairly happy in its spot. It gets full sun. And as you can see, because it's grown quite a lot, it's in need of a good trim. So, as I said in a previous video, the first thing to do is to step back and consider the shape of your rose, the shape that it is now, and the shape that you want. So I want to stick with what we have. It has a plentiful supply of main canes at the base. I can see some dead ones that need to come out. So let's get started. So always start from the bottom and work up. So I'm going to start by removing some of these dead canes. There's an obvious one right there. There. And you can see why you need good gloves, because I couldn't imagine trying to do this without gloves. Oh, and by the way, if we pan over a little, probably noticed this plant here. It's a tree peony. So watch for my video on peonies, itos and tree peonies and herbaceous peonies coming soon. So still trimming out the dead. And then I think I want it to be about 2 feet off the ground. So I think I'm going to take the top down probably to about here. But continuing on from the bottom still. So you see here the way this is crossing. These 2 limbs are crossing. I don't really want that, so need to take one of them off. And cut it after the bud. The angle that you cut at, it used to be that people said you need a 45-degree angle. That's not really a thing anymore. It's not something that people worry about. Absolutely. Take the whole thing off. You're also looking for the direction that the bud is facing. So this is an outward facing bud. So that's going to produce growth going that way. You don't really want very many inward facing buds, because you want the plant to grow out in a V shape. So as you're making cuts, like you can see here, here's an inward shaping bud. I'm going to leave it because I'm leaving the growth above that point. But leaving inward facing buds, it could become an issue later as the plant grows in, and then you get crossed limbs the way I had before that I cut out. I think I'm happy with that. I could have taken more off, but I think it has an okay shape. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my other rose videos. There's one on the symbolism and development of the rose, and there's another on how to train and prune a climbing rose. So again, thanks for watching. Bye.